Ananya Shetty and welcome back to my channel to help you create the life that you want and to become the best version of yourself. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Also follow me on Instagram at Ananya Shetty Official for regular updates. Do not forget to hit the bell icon because if you miss on hitting the bell icon, you'll miss out on every single video that is out every week. If you have been following my channel, by now you know that I have a bookworm in me. However, I wasn't always a reader since childhood. My exposure to reading books developed only once I got into college, and ever since then, there was no looking back. Today, I have reached a point in my life where my day goes incomplete if I don't read at least few pages. Good books are huge influences in my life. The person that I am today is highly influenced by the kind of people that I've met and have in my life, the circumstances life threw at me, the books that I read and the movies that I watch. Good books have always fascinated me, but great books made me the person that I am today. It's absolutely incredible how one book can change a perspective of one's life. What makes a good book change you is less to do with how good a book is and more to do with how right the book is. It's all about the right person reading the right book at the right time, and now that's a recipe for a great book for any individual. In today's video, I'm going to talk about top 5 books that has changed my life. What follows is not the world's best book or the best writings, but these are the 5 books that has changed my life. The ideas in this book has allowed me to look at myself and the world around me in a way I never saw before. It allowed me to have a shift in my perspective. It also allowed me to ask better questions and look at life differently. So now let's dive straight into my top 5 books that changed my life. When I was in school, I didn't really read a lot of books. However, one day when I was walking the streets of Mangalore, my eyes caught an attention of one of the books that was being sold in the streets. And that was the first book that I ever bought myself. The only reason I bought that book was for its title, which read The Secret. I was fascinated by the title. I had no idea what the book is all about, or I've never heard of it before. The book Secret by Rhonda Byrne introduced me to law of attraction, which changed my life and continues to change and evolve every single day towards the life that I want. It talks about the power of thoughts, how thoughts become things, the power of feeling good, the ability to attract the life that you want and to manifest the life of your dreams. Law of attraction is a very well-known phenomenon now, but back then when I was 16, I had never heard of something like this, and this book just blew my mind. The beauty about this book is you can read it from any random page and it will still make sense. I have lost the count of number of times I have read this book or even watched the documentary on the same by this world's successful people. If you're a non-reader and if you ever want to give just one book a shot, then this is the book you should pick. I also believe that the best gift you can ever give it to someone is to introduce them to law of attraction. It is this book which introduced me to vision board, and ever since then I've been creating vision board and witnessing my vision board come true. If you want to know how to create a vision board that actually works, do check my latest video. I will drop the link in the description box below. My favorite quote from the book is, "You don't have to see the entire staircase, just take the first step." Isn't that profound? By nature, I indulge too much in overthinking and analyzing pros and cons in anything that I do. So this was quite a reminder for me to not to focus on perfection and focus on taking the first step. The second book that changed my life is The Success Principles by Jack Canfield. Jack Canfield is a co-author of a New York's bestseller, The Chicken Soup for the Soul. In this book, the author speaks about how to get from where you are to where you want to be. This is Jack Canfield's finest writing, which has made profound impact in my life, which is the reason, in spite of the book being this thick, I managed to read it twice. The author has created a roadmap addressing every single issue regarding the personal and the professional growth. My biggest takeaway from this book is to take 100% responsibility for yourself. When something goes wrong, the normal tendency is to look around and to see whom to put the blame on. We blame our parents, our kids, our spouse, boss, colleagues, government, poverty, economy, GDP, global warming, now coronavirus, and even the stars. Like, I am the most unluckiest soul on the planet right now. Convenient option, right? This book has enabled me to stop making excuses and start taking action. My favorite line from this book, which has stayed with me till date, is, "You cannot hire someone to do the push-ups for you." To all the lazy bums out there, this one's for you. My third book is another bestseller by the author of Monk Who Sold the Ferrari, Robin Sharma's The 5 AM Club. This book has opened me up to the world of morning routine and the kind of impact it makes. The author says, own your morning, innovate your life. He addresses the early raising habit that has helped so many accomplish epic results. Also shares a step-by-step method to protect the quietest hours of daybreak and make most of the mornings while others are still asleep. I'm not a morning person myself. In fact, when I read this book, I tried waking up early for quite some time to see if it works, and unfortunately I didn't fit in there. However, this book helped me to create a morning routine that I stick to every single day and have been seeing fulfilling results. I have read most of his book, but this one is my personal favorite. Waking up early is quite a task, especially for the millennial generation. Most of us are night owls and we like getting started, getting productive late in the evenings. However, addressing change, Robin Sharma says, all change is hard at first, messy in the middle, and so gorgeous at the end. The fourth book that changed my life is Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Author speaks about how we do what we do and how to change. He takes us through the thrilling and surprising world of scientific study of habits. It was an eye-opener for me. The key to exercising regularly, losing weight, raising exceptional children, becoming more productive, or even building revolutionary companies all boils down to understanding how habits work. This book has helped me find out repetitive patterns in my habits. It has helped me identify and replace an unproductive habit with a productive one. It has also helped me adopt a lifestyle change by replacing old habit with new ones. The fifth book that changed my life is Eat, Love, Pray by Elizabeth Gilbert. This book is about a beautiful journey of an emotionally broken woman and what she discovers through her travels. She is in quest of her peace and answers to all the unanswered questions, and through the process she travels through Rome, India and Bali. When I was reading this book, all I wanted to do is just pack my bag and travel. I almost traveled with her to places through this book, and the experience was so liberating. This book has taught me to relax, take it slow and go with the flow. She is also witty and funny. This book was later made a movie starring Juliana Roberts and Xavier Bardem. Non-readers can watch this movie. However, I always choose reading a book over watching a movie because clearly in 3 hours movie you miss out on a lot of details. The more you read, the more curious you become. If you're someone who is interested in making reading part of your lifestyle, I would highly recommend watching my latest video on how to make reading a habit. I'll drop the link in the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section one book that has changed your life. I would love to have a look at it. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.